Hey everybody, welcome back to Bar Run Forge, and it's another Tuesday morning tool video. Stick around. Today's tool is actually, we've done before is a review sometimes, and we've also done a build. Today is kind of a combination of both of those things. We have received in the mail, all the way from Australia, from our good friend Matt at Techronmatic. If you look on YouTube, you can find his, and I think we'll link his channel down in the description. And Matt has done a great job. He's already lined all these out. He's marked where the offsets go. The V-bits are already cut. The holes are already drilled. And I am a fan of this style. This style is essentially called the Farrier style. So essentially all we have to do at this point is pick out a spot on the reins, draw them and smooth them out where we want to, open up the V-bits, and then assemble them, and we've got V-BIT tongs. So let's get to it. What we'll do is find a spot somewhere around in here and where we're going to start knocking off the corners. Okay, and we'll just continue that process till we get it down pretty much around on this end, and then we'll have to smooth these over just a little bit. But that's pretty much the process, and we'll do that over and over again on each side. Alright, we are to the point in this particular one where we can actually start rounding it over and smoothing these out. And it's just like you would on any other rounding process, essentially going square, octagon to round. And we've taken a few extra steps in that process and rounded a couple other parts and put more facets on a couple other edges, and it just helps with the process go a little bit smoother, a little bit quicker. And we're eventually going to take this over to the vise for some hot rasping to smooth this up. This needs to be comfortable in your hand, or you're just not going to pick them up and use them. Alright, our next step on this one will be at the vise to round it up and smooth it up. With our reins pretty well rounded up and formed where we want them to be, we can move to the bit. And essentially what we're going to do there is we're going to take a V-fuller over to the vise, and we'll just open that up just a little bit, and then we'll do our offsets on each one and go from there. Now that the V-BIT is established, we're going to bring this over, get it hot again, bring it right over to the step, and then we'll take the set hammer. I'll ask Eli to help me. We'll set that angle, and then we will just basically set that down. Once we've got that done, we'll move it back over, flip it, and then we will set that part down. So it'll have its offset completely in it. Yep. All right, well, both the offsets done. Got the rivet in there. Check them out. Pretty pleased with that. So now we just get to do the assembly. So they're assembled. We're going to work them back and forth a little bit, and those hinges will probably have to be tightened up a little bit. But now we've got to work on lining everything up. So we'll get it back in the fire and line it up. Make some adjustments here. Well, there you go. Completed a set of V-BIT tongs. They're designed to hold up to, they can hold more than this, but they're really designed for 1/2 inch material. We've got a set that hold close to 1/4, 3/8, hold it pretty well. This is a bigger set, so we wanted to go 1/2 inch. It'll probably hold bigger than that, I'm sure. And they're heavy. I really like the design on them. So we want to take the time, first of all, to thank Matt from Techron-Matic. Again, we'll have a link to his channel in the description. Great job on assembling these, setting these up, and boy, we're excited to be able to use them. It's always great to have another set of tongs. And this, man, that really holds that 1/2 inch really well. They're operating just fine. And as most tongs, every once in a while, sometimes you got to tighten up the rivet. But there you go. A good set of V-BIT tongs for here in the shop. And it reminded me of a time when Moses was going through some struggles in his life. And he got the opportunity to be near God. And in Exodus chapter 33, again, he gets the opportunity to be near God, and God says that he's going to pass by. Listen to what it says in Exodus chapter 33, verse 21 and 22. Then the Lord said, "There is a place near me where you may stand on a rock. And when my glory passes by, I will put you in the cleft of the rock and cover you with my hand until I have passed by. Then I will remove my hand, and you will see my back, but my face must not be seen." So the great part about that is Moses got the opportunity to even be that close to God, and he was covered by his hand in the cleft of the rock. And so sometimes we just need to be under the understanding that we just need to find solace. We need to find peace. We need to find a place where we can just rest in God, and that when his glory passes by, that he is near us, so that we can rest in him in the cleft of the rock. Thank you guys so much for coming in. We enjoy every time you come and join us for a Tuesday morning tool video. We'll have plenty more coming. Make sure you also check out the rest of our content, our Thursday night live streams, Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Check out our website, www.barrunforge.com. That's BARRUNFORGE.com. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. We'll see you on the next one. God bless and take care.